I'm seeing a more thoughtful pace, but here in central New Jersey, it's still a seller's market. Buyers may have a touch more room to negotiate, but smart pricing and strong positioning still wins the day.
More.